Need help? Car won't start. I think it's the battery. All right. Got something out of my truck. Okay, great. That's right. There we go. Thank you so much. Glad to help.
Is this Bluetooth FM transmitter. Let's see how fast it'll pair up. Flashing, that means it's paired. Look, did you see how crazy that was? It's already paired. That was like instant. This thing's really cool. It's from VicTsing. It's got a super fast charging port. So this thing has a V5 Bluetooth chip in it, which makes pairing lightning fast, as you saw. It has the blue light, so you know when it's pairing. That's when it's flashing. When it's on, that's when it's connected. You're good. It's also compatible with voice commands like Siri, so that's super handy. This has been a big thing I wanted to do, and now we can listen to our own music with the head unit. Get the best of both worlds. My nostalgic head unit makes me happy to have it in here, but I can also listen to current music. But we are gonna play a throwback. Who remembers this song? Comment below if you do. Okay, I gotta turn that off before I get copyrighted, but comment below. I know most of you. So yeah, that is the Bluetooth transmitter from VicTsing. Awesome little product. I'll put the link to it below, as well as the jump pack if you guys are interested in either of those. I hugely appreciate you guys who support the companies, who support us. I mean, there are a couple of really awesome, very, very handy products.